and drink milk all the time. You know what? I'll bring you ice, cold, and light beer. Wait a moment, I'll be right back.
So, the robot recognizes you? Yeah, I put it over there because the voice is a little bit low. The robot actually changed its mind because maybe here is much cooler. And RoboCup Home is about bringing beer, and beer, of course, is in the fridge because the warm beer will be good. So as you saw, the robot approached the fridge, it opened the door, and now it should find beer inside was an obstacle at the position the robot wanted to go. So it took a second longer. Now it again perceives the handle of the fridge using the laser, and then it approaches the handle for grasping in the forward, backward, and in the lateral direction. Executes the blast, and then using the combined control of the arm, it moves such that the fridge is closing. So this worked very nicely. And it took a little bit enough.
May I hand it over to you? Here you are.
So,
It is a pleasure.
yes, with the